How to change your TikTok shop address. Hi guys, in this video we'll teach you how you'll be able to change your address on your TikTok shop. Simply log in into your TikTok seller account and navigate on the left side panel of the screen and look into your account settings. That is located at the bottom part of the screen, and click on account settings. Here you just simply click on your warehouse information. This is where you'll be able to see the warehouse and pickup address for your TikTok shop. If you want to edit your store or shop address, just simply click on edit. That's on the right side, and then you can just navigate into the details, filling out the details or changing the details that you want for you to change your TikTok shop address. And that's basically it. That's how easy you will be able to change your address here for your TikTok shop. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!